So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that. I just want to state it. Okay.
stated.
It's on record, right? Okay.
Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine with me.
This entitled Brat stormed into court acting like she owned the place. The audacity was unreal. She straight up yelled at Judge Simpson, demanding to know why she couldn't be released, when she's literally sitting there on an assault charge. Like, ma'am, reality check. The arrogance dripping from her voice made it sound like the law just didn't apply to her. Meanwhile, Judge Simpson stayed cool, calm, and collected, showing patience that deserves a whole documentary. Most judges would have snapped the second she raised her voice, but he didn't flinch. The real question is, does this delusional brat deserve another chance at freedom, or should she stay right where she is? Let's get into it.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Attorney on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you.
I served 30 days already.
And if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount?
5,000,
10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
All
right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So.
Okay.
What do we?
I will never understand people like this. If you're facing an assault charge, your first move should be calling a lawyer, not screaming at the judge. But this woman's strategy? Full toddler tantrum mode. Honestly, I've seen 2-year-olds act with more sense than this. An entitlement like this isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. She's literally behind bars for putting hands on someone. Yet she's trying to shout her way out of consequences. It's insane. What kills me is that she really thinks this works. Courts aren't playgrounds. You don't roll in with zero accountability and expect sympathy. And huge respect to Judge Simpson for staying grounded. Honestly, he's one of the best out there. Cool under pressure, fair, and tough when he needs to be. Compared to him, most judges would have tossed her in contempt within 5 seconds. Cases like this prove just how disconnected from reality some people are. And scary part? These people aren't rare. They're out there every day, at the store, the gym, on the road, one snap away from chaos. So let me know, do you think entitlement like this is just this generation, or has it always been this bad?
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. If I guess.
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, man.
If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or no trial?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, man.
It could have a jury, fine, that's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she ain't got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post the bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by parenting. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
I honestly cannot wait for this trial, because if this hearing was any preview, the main event is going to be courtroom comedy gold. My prediction? She's doing those 90 days, no doubt about it. Even if she cuts it down with time served, society is better off with her locked up for a while. Her attitude alone made this hearing painful to watch. And did you catch the way she glared at her old lawyer when she walked out? Like it was the lawyer's fault she ended up in jail. Newsflash! You threw hands, not the attorney. That glare was pure comedy. But this is exactly why courts can't bend just because someone yells loud enough. If people like her keep skating, the courtroom becomes a circus for the entitled. So I'll throw it to you. Does she deserve the full 90 days? Or do you think she should get another shot at freedom? Personally, I'm voting for the jail time. Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.